Today I'm diving into something that's shaking up the cotton industry in Zimbabwe. It's all about the recent partnership between the Cotton Company of Zimbabwe, also known as COTCO, and the Zimbabwe Republic Police, or ZRP. So, what's the big deal? Well, it starts with the Presidential Input Scheme. This initiative is providing seed cotton to farmers across the country, aiming to boost production and support rural communities, especially those who rely on cotton farming for their livelihood. Now here's where the magic happens. COTCO and ZRP have teamed up to ensure that the seed cotton from this scheme is delivered safely and efficiently. This partnership is crucial. Why? Because it not only secures the produce, but also guarantees that farmers get paid immediately upon delivery. Imagine this. You're a farmer who's just finished harvesting your cotton. You take your produce to a designated COTCO collection point. As soon as you hand it over, you get paid on the spot. No waiting, no hassles. This timely payment is a game changer for many rural families. It means they can immediately reinvest in their farms, pay for school fees, buy essential goods, and improve their overall quality of life. It's a significant step towards achieving Vision 2030, a national strategy aiming for a prosperous and empowered upper-middle income society by the year 2030. But it's not just about the money. The collaboration also focuses on enhancing the entire cotton value chain. By ensuring that cotton is securely delivered, COTCO and ZRP are helping to maintain high-quality standards. This, in turn, strengthens Zimbabwe's position in the global cotton market. Let's talk about community support for a moment. This partnership is also fostering a sense of trust and reliability within rural communities. Farmers know that their hard work is protected and valued. This sense of security encourages more people to engage in cotton farming, driving further development and economic growth in these areas. And it's not just the farmers who benefit, the entire community sees positive changes. With increased income, local businesses thrive, schools get better support, and healthcare facilities improve. It's a ripple effect that starts with a single seed of cotton. To wrap it up, the COTCO and ZRP partnership is more than just a business move. It's a strategic effort to uplift rural communities, secure livelihoods, and propel Zimbabwe towards a brighter, more prosperous future. If you're a farmer, make sure to stay updated with COTCO and ZRP announcements. Attend community meetings, follow guidelines, and take full advantage of this initiative. Together, we can make Vision 2030 a reality. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on local initiatives and how they're making a difference in our communities. See you next time.